Okay, in this video, we will explain about an article about prosthetic arm provides sense of heat and cold. Uh, Also, there is a member of our group, which is myself, Muhammad Ewin Fajariansyah. Next is Marito Sinarta Alam, then Leo Melki Yohanda, and Teguh Prasetyo. A system that used in prosthetic arm which the engineer name mini touch that takes advantage of neurological phenomenon the research team discovered last year called phantom heat. The phenomenon this discover can make a prosthetic surface feel as if it were the user own skin without requiring further surgery or implantation into the user. The next slide will be explained by Marito Sinarta Alam.
Phantom heat sensations occur when an amputee feels as though temperatures fell on their remaining limbs are in fact coming from a part of the body that is no longer there. The mini-touch system works by connecting the temperature sensor in the prosthetic hand fingertip to a temperature controller and a small pad of thermally conductive material. The conductive pad, located somewhere on the limb that can include the feeling of phantom heat, is either heated or cooled to match the temperature measured at the fingertip. Sulaiman Sakur, a senior scientist on the Translational Neuroengineering Group at the APFL and the principal researcher in the Minita study, says that a fair portion of how material feels actually stems on the thermal characteristic. And the next one is gonna explained by Leo Melki Yohanda.
Okay, so the reason metal feels colder than glass is because it cools your skin down from 32 Celsius to room temperature more quickly, says Sokur. We managed to reproduce the sort of signature thermal drop with our sensor. It not only measures but also mimics the thermal properties of the finger. Sokur says that phantom heat stems from nerves continuing to grow after an amputation, coupled with the way the brain processes sensory information and presumably continues to infer signals from parts of the body that are no longer there. Nervous that is still ping the parts of the sensory brain. The handle signal like pinky finger hot or thumb cold. Phantom heat sensation occur when an amputee feels as though temperature while on the remaining limb are in fact coming from a part of the body that is no longer there to test the device accuracy. The researcher had an amputated voluntary carry out a battery of experiments in which they judged the temperature of small objects they grabbed with their prosthesis. One forearm amputee, for instance, could perfectly discriminate between cold objects, room temperature objects, and hot objects. The same subject could also perfectly discern the difference between three materials, glass, copper, and plastic, using their mini-touch hand. The mini-touch system is one of several prosthetic advances that bring back sense lost in amputation. Previous work has developed robotic hands that transmit feelings of pressures to the user, allowing them to grasp delicate objects much more carefully than with only eyesight to get them. And the next slide is explaining by Teguh Prasetyo.
Sokur said the researcher designed the device to build into and work with any power prosthetic, which may mean that mini touch could be one module in large prosthetic system. While the team are not currently developing the system into a standalone commercial available product, Sokur say they've patented the technology and have a track industry interests already. Thank you. In this video,